Hey, how's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. I have something very interesting for you today. I bought something from eBay, which, I needed for my work, and I don't know if this is the cheapest mono Bluetooth headset. You know, the cheapest Bluetooth headset that you bought on 1 year. It's a mono for phone calls. If you're in an office or if you're a driver, if you do a lot of phone calls. And when I was looking on eBay, I found this seller, and he was selling this mono Bluetooth here. I'm gonna put on the screen right now for £3, and obviously the postage is £3. Obviously, the postage is not £3, but that's fine. I mean, I understand they have to make some money, but anyway, £7 for mono Bluetooth headset. That's I don't know if this is a scam or something. In the description, it says that this is not being opened. It's not being used, or it's open box, not being used. Anyway, let's unbox it now. Just I'm gonna remove my address from the box because otherwise you're gonna see my address. Yeah. Apparently there's something inside. Yeah, there's something inside here. I'm gonna put this on the side, and let's see now if I'm being scammed or not. So this is the company is called Goji or Gyoki or Goji. So this is a Bluetooth mono. It's a Bluetooth headset. It's a wireless, obviously mono headset. It's a let's unbox it now. As you can see, the box is a little bit. I don't know if you can see the box. It's a little bit. But anyway, let's unbox it now. Let's unbox it and let's see. Yeah, the box actually is being opened because there's some thing that this. Obviously, this is not original sealed. So let's see now if this Bluetooth headset is working. £7, that's a very good deal, because I was looking, the cheapest one you can buy is, they start from 12, £13 up to £20. Also, we have a user manual here. We have, I believe this is the charging cable. And I'm just curious to see if this is gonna work with my phone, because I need it for my work. I do a lot of phone calls. And yeah, it's a micro USB cable. And this is the actual unit. I don't know if you can see. I don't believe that probably this thing has got a battery, but let's see. Nah, it doesn't have a battery. But I'm gonna put it to the charge for a little bit, and then we're gonna test it. I'll be back in a second. Alright, so I'm back now. This is the actual unit. This is the mono headset, which is being charged for a couple of minutes. And I'll show you right now. So basically how this is working, you press, this is the main button here for 5 seconds. And now, I don't know if you can see, it's flashing. So because already I connected to my mobile phone, should be connected already. If it's not, basically the name of the actual USB, it's GENMBT19. I don't know if you can see here. So yeah, it actually is pretty decent mono Bluetooth. I'm gonna use it for a couple of months. I already tried. I did a phone call. So it has micro USB here on the side, and it has a volume plus and minus on the other side. Pretty alright. So that's why I'm gonna use this mono Bluetooth headset, and I'm gonna give you my opinion. I need to use it for a couple of days just to make sure that this is alright. And I just made myself a tea. So anyway, so I'm gonna use it for a couple of days. So let me know what do you think. And I'm gonna give you my opinion. So again, luckily I didn't was scammed. So this person actually is genuine person. Is working. As you can so on my unboxing video, this is open box. And yeah, I'm gonna use it for a couple of days. So let me give you some specifications of this item actually, and let's see what it is. So Bluetooth connection allow you to remain hands-free. You can make and receive while performing numbers of other tasks. So yeah, okay. What else we have here? Integrated microphone with buttons for your calls and music. Also, you can listen music as well. I tried to play some music. Obviously, this is not the best microphone for music, but if you want to hear something, it's pretty okay. So, what we have here? So, up to 120 hours of standby time. I will test that. Up to 3 hours of continuous wireless calls or music playback. So 3 hours. I'm gonna test that. I'm gonna try. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you my full review. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna test this properly, and we'll see if this is okay. So I'm gonna try to watch videos, play music. So we'll see how long will take to battery to make sure that the battery is done. And yeah, pretty much this is whatever says on the box. So frequency response is 20 hertz, 20 kilohertz. Sensitivity is 92 dB. Max output power 4 MW. I don't know what that mean. But overall, this is pretty much doesn't say anything about the battery, how long it takes to charge. So I'm gonna give you all the tests after I use it for a couple of days, couple of weeks. Again, pretty simple. This is probably the cheapest mono headset that I bought from eBay, only £7. This cost more than my lunch. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Sign off. I'll see you.